Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable night shift on your Mac. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, click on the Apple menu on the top left corner and then select System Settings or System Preferences on older macOS version. Now scroll down the sidebar and click on Displays. In the Display Settings window, normally scroll down a bit and click on Night Shift. Here you will see options to schedule it, either custom to set your own time or sunset to sunrise. You can also manually enable it by turn on until tomorrow. Or you can even adjust the color warmth to reduce blue light more or less, depending on your preference. And that's it, Night Shift is now enabled and your Mac will show warmer colors to reduce eye strain in the evening. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. Allah Hafiz.